Welcome, and thank you for joining us. The ESG landscape is rapidly evolving, and compliance requirements are increasing. Keboola delivers a streamlined solution to help businesses align with the Corporate Sustainability Reporting Directive, also known as CSRD, which mandates sustainability reporting for thousands of companies across the EU starting in 2026. ESG reporting is no longer optional. It's a critical business priority. Non-compliance with ESG requirements carries serious consequences, including fines of up to 6% of revenue, reputational damage, and heightened scrutiny from investors. Beyond these risks, strong ESG performance opens doors to essential funding opportunities and can differentiate your business in a competitive marketplace. Unfortunately, many organizations struggle with ESG data because it is scattered across departments and systems, leading to drawn-out manual processes, extra costs, and strategic blind spots. The central question is how to meet stringent regulations while turning ESG information into a strategic asset. That's precisely where Keboola steps in. ESG reporting influences financial stability, public perception, and access to capital. Investors demand transparency, making it not just a compliance exercise, but a strategic advantage, especially when organizations streamline data complexity and optimize reporting processes. Many companies still rely on manual, fragmented data collection, leading to inaccuracies, inefficiencies, and difficulty scaling as regulations evolve. ESG data is often spread across finance, operations, procurement, and other departments, making it hard to establish a single source of truth. Standardizing ESG metrics across different regions adds another layer of complexity, increasing the risk of inconsistencies and audit challenges. While consultants and external ESG teams can provide support, they add significant costs and don't always offer long-term, scalable solutions. Meanwhile, outdated legacy systems and spreadsheets prevent real-time insights, slowing sustainability initiatives and limiting data-driven decision-making. This fragmented approach inflates compliance costs and hinders the full strategic potential of ESG efforts. Now, imagine a world where ESG compliance is seamless. A centralized platform connects all relevant data in real time, automates manual processes, and generates regulator-ready reports. Instead of scrambling for audits, you remain audit-ready at all times. Instead of relying on error-prone spreadsheets, you deliver clear, actionable insights to stakeholders, all without adding unnecessary operational complexity. Designed to grow with your ESG needs, it scales effortlessly while avoiding additional IT overhead or staffing requirements. With the right technology, ESG compliance becomes an integrated part of your business plan, supporting transparency, guiding forward-looking strategies, and freeing resources for innovation rather than administration. Keboola empowers your ESG journey with a unified data ecosystem that provides instant visibility and insights. We automate workflows to eliminate manual overhead. By fostering a data-driven culture, we scale decision-making across your organization. Our platform offers complete audit-ready reporting for CSRD compliance, transparent data collection, and automated reporting processes, and a future-proof software-as-a-service solution that adapts to evolving requirements. With specialized ESG expertise and managed services, Keboola offers a modern, efficient system tailored to support your business for the long haul. Keboola delivers a comprehensive ESG solution, consolidating all related data for seamless management, transparent reporting, and strategic guidance. Our platform automates everything from data collection and validation to final reporting, ensuring regulatory compliance with ease. Partnering with PwC adds an extra layer of expertise, helping you not only meet compliance requirements, but also future-proof your ESG strategy. Additionally, PwC is assisting Keboola with the methodological development of the CSRD reporting, ESG platform, and other energy applications through a structured 5-step advisory approach. This collaboration ensures that our solution aligns with evolving regulatory frameworks while maintaining best practices in ESG reporting. Whether tracking emissions, managing governance metrics, or strengthening supply chain sustainability, Keboola's ESG platform centralizes and standardizes data to keep you continuously prepared for audits and capable of leveraging ESG initiatives for business growth. The platform provides audit-ready outputs with real-time data visibility, reduces reliance on manual processes to minimize compliance risks, and offers scalable solutions that adapt to regulatory and business changes. Leading companies have already transformed their ESG and data operations with Keboola. Home Credit consolidated extensive financial and non-financial data without expanding IT resources. By implementing Keboola, they avoided hiring 50-plus full-time employees and unlocked over 1,000 hours per month for finance teams to focus on strategic analysis instead of repetitive tasks. Jim Beam, a leading European e-commerce company specializing in sports nutrition and fitness products, optimized its operations by consolidating all data on Keboola and automating 75% of its business processes. AI-driven forecasting improved warehouse efficiency, reduced waste, and enhanced inventory management, allowing the company to scale effectively. Meanwhile, Product Board, a fast-growing B2B SaaS provider, accelerated data engineering output fivefold and reduced time to market by over 70% thanks to Keboola's automation capabilities. Now, let us have a quick look at what the ESG app looks like in practice. Once you log in, you can see the dashboard showing the completeness of your reports for the selected reporting period. If we check the one where everything is set, we will see that only 2 reports were required. Both are uploaded and confirmed by the competent person. If we need to review the data, we can either display it or download the report. This is another advantage of ESG reporting. As there are multiple user roles, you can enforce data privacy. Sensitive data such as headcount by gender, salaries, etc., can only be viewed by authorized users. You can also assign specific tasks, for example, employee data upload to specific users. In the category of environmental reports, for instance, you can see what it looks like when you are in the middle of the process. Each row represents an individual task to be performed within the ESG reporting. Some tasks are still pending upload, and some are waiting for confirmation. How about creating new tasks? If you are the one with the right to create tasks, you can either create your own task or simply choose from the predefined templates compliant with the formal requirements of the CSRD, then assign who is supposed to upload the data and who will confirm its correctness. It all ends with selecting a deadline for delivery. This way, you can make sure the data is compliant with the requirements, ready in time, and collected in one place. Any of the template can also be downloaded as an Excel spreadsheet at any time. Once you've added the data into the provided template, you can load it back into the system to process it. There is also the export section, where ready and approved reports can be stored for future reference and auditing. Since the data you're reporting is already available in your existing company systems, Keboola acts as an automation processing platform behind the scenes. It retrieves and transforms all relevant data, delivers it to the ESG application in the right format, and eliminates the need for manual work. As a result, your reporting becomes both faster and more accurate. Let's take the next step together. We invite you to schedule a follow-up discussion to identify the most impactful ESG project for your business and demonstrate how Keboola can bring immediate value. As your business evolves and regulations change, we'll ensure you remain fully compliant while maximizing the strategic potential of your ESG data. As we wrap up, we invite you to dive deeper into the world of ESG innovation. Join our webinar to explore how Keboola can simplify compliance, streamline your ESG processes, and unlock new opportunities for your business.